Hi, Jeff Harradine, VP of Sales, Barletta Pontoons, and we're going to talk a little bit about our arches on our Corsa and our Lusso series boats. Some similarities between the two: they're both extremely robust and built on an incredibly strong foundation and platform. Both of them have an arch that's truly rattle-free, it's extremely quiet, and they both look amazing. But there are some differences between the two as well. For instance, our Lusso series arches is push button, so at the helm you have a little toggle switch that powers the arch up and down, whereas the Corsa series arch has an internal gas assist shock to it. Operates very easily and smoothly too, but it's not push button. You have to manually fold it down. Then they also have just a little bit of a different look to them. You'll notice our Lusso series boats has a little bit more billet cladding around the side of it. It has a lighted Barletta B logo on the exterior, which is a white light, by the way, because we'll keep the Coast Guard a little bit happier when we're only doing white on the exterior of our boats for lighting. And then we do have a sound bar and an LED light built into the top of our Lusso series arches. So you do on the Lusso series get a couple of features that are very nice to have that you may not get on the Corsa series, but both accomplish a very important function of looking great. Yes, I said they look great. And you can tow off the top of them, and both of them will hold beautiful, great bimini tops to keep you out of the sun. I have a Lusso series arch here that we've removed the side panel of during the construction process, and it's a great opportunity for me to show you how incredibly well this thing is built. And so I'll start down with the framework. We really beef up our chassis with extra cross members here. It gives us a lot of structural support to get some heavy duty bolts and mount this big, massive, strong arch into. And so if you ever peek underneath the side of it, you'll just see a whole lot of cross members down here that is giving us the foundation to build from in a very strong way. And then some beautiful billet bracing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, front and back. The big bolts like I was talking about. You can see even, a part of the boat you'll just never see done out of just gorgeous billet stuff. Holds our actuator in place, and this actuator has a little drive ram right here, and that drive ram is what pushes this tower down when you're trying to use our Lusso series with the push button to get in and out of a lift or maybe underneath a bridge. And then the framework or the case that this entire apparatus sits in and the tower sits upon, also heavy duty, very strong material. This thing is literally built like a tank.